Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a wheel shockwave effect very easy and quick in After Effects. First of all, let's duplicate your clip and rename it to wheel. Now we should mask out the rim. To mask, I will use Mocha AE. In Mocha, grab an elliptical tool and mask the rim. Once you are satisfied with it, enable perspective and click on tracking button. As the tracking is done, click on save button and close Mocha AE. Expand matte now and enable apply matte. Now make sure to double click on anchor point tool and move the anchor point to the center of your wheel. Press S on your keyboard now to open scale. At the very beginning of your clip, click on scale stopwatch icon to create a keyframe. Scroll forward a bit now and increase scale to around 150. Now click on toggle switches / modes and change wheel layers mode to screen. Now go to beginning and scroll a few frames forward something like this and press T on your keyboard to open opacity and then click on opacity stopwatch icon. Press U on your keyboard to open all created keyframes and then scroll forward like in the video and change opacity to 0%. First step is ready. Let's apply some effects now and we are done. Add find edges effect and click on invert. Add tint now and change map white to any color you want. I will leave it white. And last effect is going to be a deep glow. If you don't have a deep glow plugin, don't worry, you can get it for free. Simply follow me on Instagram and write me a word, plugins, and I will send you a deep glow and some other plugins for free. Now select all keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to ease them. Go to Graph Editor now. Right-click there and select Edit Speed Graph. Make a smooth curve like mine or play around until you will be happy with it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.